Monitor LG Ultra-Wide 29WL500. Due to the aspect ratio of the screen, it seems to be a good solution for the office, home, and maybe even for the gamer? We will check. To install the monitor you will have to use a screwdriver. There are 2 screws to attach the leg to the monitor. The monitor base already has a fixed mounting screw, which can be set up without any tools. After assembly, you can proceed to set up the monitor, which allows you to adjust only the tilt angle. This is a slight downside. It is a pity that the monitor has no height adjustment. The entire monitor looks very modern and attractive. When turned off, the display appears to be frameless on 3 sides. The lower strip is significantly thicker, but still looks very good. The menu is very conveniently operated using the joystick. As for me, this is a better solution than control with a set of buttons. We have 2 HDMI connectors, a headphone output and a power input using the included power supply. The resolution of 2560 by 1080 pixels will improve the comfort of working with office applications, programming environments, and even browsing the internet. The ultra-wide screen will also expand the field of view in games that support this aspect ratio. I only had to play Doom Eternal for a moment to record an excerpt for this movie. But the field of view was so cool that I dove in the game for several minutes. After switching to a laptop monitor, it was a bit poor. Certainly, in the office such a monitor will not replace 2 monitors placed next to each other. But by replacing one of these 2 monitors, this will improve the comfort of work. The monitor is presented with the manufacturer's settings found straight out of the box. At first glance, you see less brightness than even a laptop screen. The advantage is the illumination of the screen. With a black background, no backlight bleeding can be seen, which will be appreciated by watching movies and playing games. The recording with my old camera does not reflect the full quality of the image viewed on the monitor. With naked eye, there are no objections to refreshment, contrast, latency and the color palette. Considering the price, parameters and size, the ultra-wide LG monitor is a good choice for the office and home.